Okay, got the top cover of the mower off, and I'm just recording this so I will remember what goes where. Okay, that burnt up piece right there is the fuel pump, and it belongs to this poor soul right here, which got it obliterated, but I want to make sure I cut it. Yeah, that direct line from there goes to the fuel pump. Okay, so to make sure we gotta keep recording. I got the top cover off, and I noticed where the spark plug connects to the engine, that wire, I have to replace that. I'm probably gonna replace that also. These, I don't know what you call those. I'm gonna replace both of those, and then we have to take this puppy off of there. See if I can get that off of there, because as you can see, it's melted right around there. So we're gonna get that done next, and I'm gonna blow all the dirt out of there with the blower, and we'll see how it looks after that. I think that's the best way. I was gonna get a brush, but I'll be here all day. I'm just gonna get the blower, blow that puppy out. And what I'm gonna do is, like I said, I'm gonna do, I'm gonna replace bits and pieces a little bit at a time. This next corner here is the next major spot. Oh my God. I'm gonna need to be doing. That's next on the list, but right now, all the stuff that I'm taking off, I'm gonna order, and I had to use a makeshift breaker bar to get it there. I'm gonna use a wire brush. We're gonna clean that out, clean this down real good. Don't know if that's bad or not, but we'll see. Excluding the fire, you can see that whoever owned this, the bins in it, I guess the crash right there, and the scalp, I guess the scalp, whatever you call those things, and the other one over there, that they didn't really treat this poor lawnmower like it had any dignity. And this lawnmower, it's a John Deere 661R. It's a freaking 60-inch, brand new. This thing's like, what, nine grand? And they treated the poor thing in such disrepair. As you can see, water got all in there, rusted everything out. You know, I sanded it. I had a, what the heck? Sanded it. I had a wire brush, and I mean, unfreaking believable. You know what I mean? That's what I just don't understand. And this is, you know, prime example when you leave something outside. The water gets in everywhere. Poor mufflers, rusted. I mean, you can see rust everywhere. You know, take it in. But I'm gonna replace little by little. Hopefully we can get it started. But let me just show you. This is the cover. Look at all that rust. Look at all that rust. That's the, I guess, the fuel pump. Poor fuel pump. And these, everything that was on top, that nut broke off. You know, that, it's all rusted, and I'm gonna replace all that. Look, you can see that got melted in the fire. Rusted. Look at that. I'm just gonna replace that, depending on the price. You know, I got everything in Ziploc bags. This air filter's an arm and a freaking leg. I wonder if if this could even be saved. I don't know. Don't think so. Jesus. It just breaks my heart, man. But look at that. That connected to the air filter, but that broke off. This is what happens when I know it's in a fire, but you leave it outside, and the destruction is even more. Don't you think? Or is it just me? But this is going to be the first of many vlogs. It might take me 1 year, 2 years. I'm only home once a month, and I can't pump all my money into this. So we're gonna try, and again, uneducated long nut. We're gonna figure it out, but we're gonna rebuild it. We're gonna make it better than it was. And when I might sell it. I might just keep it. Have fun popping wheelies around my lawn. I'll be able to cut the lawn in record time with this daggone thing. But hopefully we'll see what we can do with it. But it looks like if I take a little bit out at a time, then put it back, and then work on the next piece, put that back, then work on the next piece, might actually be able to get something done here. Who knows? We'll see. But looks like we might be able to do something with it. I'm excited. I think I'm gonna take the tank off today and drain it. That's what started the freaking fire. I don't need my house burning down. You know what I mean? Okay, well, we are done for the night. And actually for the month. I'm gonna do it a little bit each month. Try to get this puppy back going. What I did was I took the two pieces off, if you can see them right there and there. I'll do some homework so you can get your name for it. But I left the bolts in there, and I forgot what they call this stuff. It's like a rust blast. I sprayed the whole top, and I'm just gonna let that baby sit on there. And what I did is, like, with the my leaf blower, blow all the dirt and whatnot out, and I'm gonna do it again. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna replace all the stuff that's on the top of here first, and try to save what I can. And then we're gonna start on that corner. That's probably gonna be the hardest corner to get, to get to or whatever. I don't know. We'll see. But I'm gonna start on that. It's gonna, like, again, I put it for about, because John Deere stuff's expensive, so I'm putting this about, this vlog's gonna go at least 1 to 2 years, you know. So because I gotta get back to work, gotta get on the road. But you know, I'm gonna make this puppy work one way or another. We're gonna figure it out. If you like stuff like this, do me a favor, like and subscribe. Uneducated long nut, trying to figure this stuff out. We're gonna see what we can do about it, guys. All right, got the gas tank off of there. I don't know if it's savable or not, but I'm gonna see. I'm gonna replace all the gas lines also. But actually, I'm finding out because I'm gonna have to replace everything right there. Taking the gas tank off was a perfect idea. So now I can get to all of that a whole lot better. So things are progressing along. We shall see. We shall see.